Welcome to Kit, the brand new way to manage your tools and equipment. How much time is wasted looking for tools and pieces of equipment? Kit provides some great features that help instantly find and locate any item needed across a factory or workshop. Kit is programmed to know where any item is located. It can help identify unreturned tools or equipment, and it can even help find an alternative if the item needed is not in its usual location. Let's start with how to locate a tool or piece of equipment. Simply log into Kit, either by scanning any QR code or heading to the Kit website on any web-enabled device. Once at the tool list, type in any reference detail for the item you want to find. The list will filter and show a list of applicable items. Kit will show information including the tool or item make, model and description. Also, how many are available of each item. Once the correct item is identified, Kit will show the exact detailed location of where the item can be found, which is particularly useful if linked to a foam inlay or shadow board. Identify a tool. Kit can also be used to identify unreturned tools and equipment and to help find where they belong. If an item is found, its part number or, if relevant, etching number will be entered into Kit. This will tell the user exactly where the item belongs, in which building, which department, and most importantly, which location. Find another. What about if the tool or equipment needed isn't there? Scan the QR code at the location where the tool is missing. Select the item that is currently missing at the location. Click Find Another, and Kit will search all other locations for the same item. If there is another of the same item, it will tell you exactly where to find it. Simply click View to be shown in which building, department and location the tool or piece of equipment can be found. Kit can also be used to find items which are stored within non-visual locations, such as cupboards, shelves and other areas not suitable for foam inserts or shadow boards. Kit, a place for everything, and everything in one place.